I was really excited to join the xFoundry program because
It's not a traditional classroom setting, and you're more working with your hands and building and innovating.
positive impact is really important to me. A lot of my background is built around creating solutions that, address societal issues. And here at the xFoundry, it's the perfect environment to really accomplish that.
Xperience is xFoundry's 15-month multidisciplinary academic program that focuses on teaching students how to solve grand challenges that our society faces.
This is a course that makes you connect with that moment, that when we see a grand challenge, this course empowers students to precisely do something about it. It creates a framework, it gives them a pathway, but they have to discover those solutions. And along the way, not only they're learning, they may make a contribution to society as a whole.
I think one thing that really makes it unique is the combined forces of the interdisciplinarity of the teaching team and of the students is like bringing a really unique combination of different skills and ways of thinking all into a room together, and getting them to really apply all these different ways of thinking in real time.
I joined Xperience because I wanted to tackle a problem that was applicable to the real world and to be able to work with students across disciplines and be able to get teamwork and collaboration.
We need to take a multidisciplinary approach and tap into the passion, energy, and talent of students from all disciplines across campus.
Grand challenges are inherently very big, complicated problems, and if any one discipline knew how to solve it, they would.
It's our responsibility as academics to use the brain power that we have to actually solve problems that are really important.
When you have interdisciplinary ideas coming from different disciplines, they bring different thought process, different ideas.
But solving the problem requires understanding all of these different facets and components. It might require different disciplines that you're not familiar with and trying to get a better understanding and then bringing that all together to try to understand the problem.
So let's be smarter as we build these teams to make sure that the teams are aware and they're thoughtful about the full picture of who the people are that they're working to help.
Xperience uses competition as a tool to help prepare our students to tackle a grand challenge in society. Throughout this competition, students are really going to be honing in their abilities to lead teams effectively and think creatively as they get real-world experience taking on these grand challenges.
xFoundry has an upcoming opportunity for students to be fully immersed in a global grand challenge competition with XPRIZE.
So XPRIZE and University of Maryland are developing a concept for a study abroad experience that would immerse students deep into the heart of the Amazon to learn directly from the Amazon rainforest, its biodiversity, learn from local and indigenous peoples, and tag alongside the finals of the XPRIZE Rainforest competition. This is such an interdisciplinary opportunity that students would be immersed in the rainforest, but also be interacting with the global leaders in conservation, people that are at the forefront of really driving the future of our planet.
Something that the xFoundry really emphasizes is innovative thinking. And I really want to take the opportunities that they have here, the connections they have here, to really take a step forward and address societal issues through software in the next stages of my life.